Hello everyone, we are excited to present our project at Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Disruption and an innovative self-disinfecting handle to make hygiene and germ-free.
Shared door handles are the hotspot for the germs and disease transmission. After COVID-19, it became clear that we need a hygienic solution for public space uh, to protect infection. How Suraksha handle works? In Suraksha handle, we use UVC LED light technology to this to self clean itself automatically when it is not in use. A motion sensor is ensuring that the LED is only activated when the handle is untouched. It keep it so that it is safe for users. The Sraksha handle is powered by an solar panel and rechargeable battery, so it works without electricity. The Suraksha handle is affordable, priced around 1000 rupees. It is easy to retrofit in a existing door. It is suitable for both the urban and rural areas, making hygiene accessibility to all. Suraksha handle supports the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by reducing disease spread, promotes local employment for technicians and ensures safer, cleaner and self-reliant public space across India. With rickshaw handle, every touch makes sense.